my cat, her name is Pebble, but we should have called her Boulder, 'cause she's got a little chubby since she started getting older. And maybe that's because all she ever really does is eat, sit and sleep. She can jump onto a fence, but to eat she must be lifted. And when it comes to dribbling, she's really rather gifted. If you pet under her jaw, she will roll onto the floor. Did I mention she's obese? Pebble, our queen, you're still perfect to me. You're still perfect to me. Literally, you could do no wrong. Do you understand me? You could kill a man and I would still love you.